Vivo is gearing up to launch its highly anticipated V29 series in June, with the Vivo V29 Pro leading the pack. The Indian market can expect the release of this smartphone lineup, which is set to succeed the popular Vivo V27 series. Earlier this year, Vivo introduced the V27 and V27 Pro models in India, featuring octa-core MediaTek Dimensity chipsets and impressive 4600 mAh batteries with 66-watt fast charging support. Building up the excitement, Vivo has now revealed key specifications of the upcoming Vivo V29 Pro on its official website. The device is showcased with a magnificent 6.7-inch curved OLED display boasting a full HD Plus resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It will be available in a configuration of 12GB RAM and 256GB of inbuilt storage. However, it is yet to be confirmed if other storage variants will be offered upon launch. In terms of photography, the Vivo V29 Pro is equipped with an impressive triple rear camera setup, headlined by a 64-megapixel primary sensor. The teaser image on the website gives us a glimpse of the rectangular camera island situated in the top left corner of the back panel. On the front, the device houses a powerful 50-megapixel sensor to capture stunning selfies. The handset is showcased in a sleek black color option, featuring slim bezels on the sides and bottom. The power button and volume rocker are conveniently placed on the right edge, while the Vivo logo rests vertically near the bottom left corner of the back panel. Vivo has also confirmed that the V29 Pro will come with a substantial 5000 mAh battery supporting 66-watt fast charging. This ensures users can enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the company has revealed that the Vivo V29 Lite variant is expected to feature a curved AMOLED Full HD Plus display measuring 6.78 inches diagonally. The front camera is speculated to have a 16-megapixel sensor, while the triple rear camera system might include a 64-megapixel main sensor along with two 2-megapixel sensors. The Lite variant is likely to house a 5000 mAh battery with 44-watt fast charging support. It is anticipated to be available in a single configuration of 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. According to reports, the Vivo V29 Pro could be priced at $299, approximately Rs 24,800 globally. With its impressive specifications and promising features, the Vivo V29 Pro is set to make waves in the smartphone market upon its launch, offering users a powerful and immersive mobile experience.